What's up, guys? Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited to bring you. I'm on the Galley Workstation. I have a whole taco bar lined up for your enjoyment, guys. I'm going to show you every piece that the Galley offers. The workstation is just incredible. Guys, I have some Wagyu ground beef that I just seared off, just rinsed, and now it's sitting right in the container. I have like over 9-10 toppings here, just, with all the components that the Galley gives you. Just gives you unlimited serving area, entertaining area. As you can do a buffet, you can clean your dishes on here, you could use it as a sink, but you could use it as prep, you could use it as buffet. Nameless items here. So guys, we're rolling down. I have the salsa right here conveniently in these containers. Same with the shredded cheese, all of your taco essentials. We put the guacamole in the round ones. They give you small little containers. They're deeper or shallower depending on what you're using here. So, they really have you covered, backwards and forwards. I diced up some onion on the cutting board. It's right here. We have some cherry tomatoes that are excellent. You could see, I could slide this. I have the tortillas on the slate piece with some diced onion. Cutting boards right here, but underneath, if you slide under here, guys, I have a little bit of slaw I made with some romaine and some broccoli. So that's cool, that can sit under there too. You could also use that as a colander to rinse your pasta and things like that. Or there's a bin there, you could actually make it an ice bath to chill some drinks and serve some cocktails and hors d'oeuvres in the very beginning. But for now, we're talking about tacos. I take 3 tacos, that's how I eat them, odd numbers. We're gonna grab some slaw that I made under here. Check out how convenient and sleek that is. We're gonna put a little bit on each. And like I said, the Galley Workstation, once again, just gives you unlimited cooking potential. The workstation just makes life a breeze and makes everyone look like an amazing chef. All right, let's throw a little bit of little onion on here, give it a little crunch, a little zing factor. Now, chef's getting into the beef. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this taco Wagyu. Unbelievable. Yeah, it smells good, tastes good. Perfect. And the best fact there is the workstation gives you, if you're gonna do, vegetarian or you wanna do beef, it keeps it all in these compartments. So, you don't leave anybody out. Little black bean salsa tops on these guys. Making friends right now. Building cool stuff. Little cheeser. So we'll throw a little cheese on these guys. Oh, love that. What else? Green pepper. We'll put a little red onion on there too. Just like that. Maybe a couple tomatoes. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gotta finish it off with a dollop of guac, or it didn't happen, right? That's living right there. All right, I got 3 tacos. All I gotta say is it's lunchtime. Thank you, Galley Workstation, for making my tacos a breeze. So guys, hope you enjoy this, and we'll see you at lunchtime.